Hi guys, so welcome to Doodle Shoodle Workshop Day 5. Let's get started with something new, some new topic today. Okay, so we have learned all the characterization, emotions, posture, stick figures, and everything. There's one thing that people generally have trouble with, that is hands. Okay, so let's try and do something how you can draw hands. I'm going to show you some basic techniques of drawing hands and we'll see if you can get it. Okay, let's go ahead. Now when we say hands, okay, what how do you draw hands? Do you draw hands like this? Isn't it? You draw them like this, or else you will go ahead and draw them like maybe something like this. Your freehand drawing would be something like this, isn't it? Yeah, so maybe you would go your thumb, some people would draw it like this also. Okay, now let's get into the technique of how you will be doing hands. Okay, we will further see the leg part also, because actually I do not want to cover the leg part because there is nothing as such that we can draw in a doodle. Yes, if you're doing something like a manga character or something like that, then it is different, but I'm not teaching you manga over here. I'm teaching you doodling. So leg is a very like simple part, but still a lot of people have come up and asked me, so I will be including it in this session. Okay, now I want you guys to take a pencil. Okay, now let's see how we can draw hands. आपको you guys have to take this box sort of a thing. Okay, you have to take this box sort of a thing. Now what will happen over here? You are going to create a bump sort of a thing over here for the thumb. Okay, later what you can do, you can divide this line. Now if I am showing my this hand, I'm showing my this hand. Okay, so my thumb is over here, then I have fingers out here, then the fingers are joining this part. Understand? They're joining this part. So this is that part, this line. Okay, this is that part. So what I'll do, I'll divide it into 1 2 3 4 lines. So I have 1 2 3 4. Getting it? 1 2 3 4 lines. Getting it? Now what I'll do, and plus I have these lines in the palm. I don't know Jochi Giri but then I people call it lifelines, so let's draw this lifeline sort of a thing. And later if you see your hand, you will see that this part is raised in your hand. This is a raised part. Okay, it's not flat like this over here. There is a khadda. This is a raised part. So I will draw another raised part sort of a thing over here. Yes, getting it? So far so clear? Okay, now slowly I'm going to look at my hand and I'm going to draw the lines. Observe the hands. Okay, now I'm going to draw this line, this line, this line, this line. I mean the fingers. So I'll start from here, and after that I will also give the length which I want. इससे ज़्यादा मेरे fingers की length नहीं होनी चाहिए. Okay, so probably I'll go with my index finger, then I will go with my middle finger, ring finger, yeah, and the little finger. Getting my point? And over here I can join my thumb. So what I did, I just join my thumb in this direction. Getting my point? Did you get my point? I've drawn the box. I segregated the lines. I gave a small bump sort of a thing over here to draw the thumb. Then I gave the length that I want my fingers. The tallest finger is your middle finger. So I have created that length that my middle finger should touch only this length. Then I created the lines of the points that I had segregated. Later on, if you want, you can give this wrist. So ये अच्छा लग रहा है या ये अच्छा लग रहा है? Which one is looking better? ये अच्छा लग रहा है. Okay. Now if I go ahead, guys, look at this very carefully. First of all, इतना कर लो. Okay, do this much because I'm going to erase this part. So do this much. And now I'm going to draw over these lines the fingers, starting with the fingers. Like this. Join it like this. And then later I'll take my wrist, okay, move it upwards towards the thumb and join my hand. I'll give these two lines. Yes? Draw it till here. Later what you can do, you can erase these guidelines that you had drawn earlier. Yeah? So do you see a classic difference between this hand that you have drawn and this hand, this hand, this hand? Yeah? So this is the difference of drawing hands with these kind of guidelines, okay? Let's go ahead and see if we can draw more. And there's one more way in which you can do these hands gestures and everything like that. So I'm going to show you one more way. It's by making a circle. Okay, this is something that we do in manga. The manga is a form of cartoon. So if we make cartoons and hands and things like that, we make it like this. Okay, so now a circle like this. Then what you can do, you can start flattening the circle at the sides. Like this, like this, this. Yeah, you have flattened your circle out. Okay. Now what you'll do, again, you are going to create something like this. Yeah, ultimately हम वहीं पे पहुंचेंगे, but I'm just showing you a different style. And a box like this, so it's like the circle is inside the box. ठीक है? What we'll do, I'm going to make two lines over here to show the wrist. Okay, so I have connected this like so. Now this is the bump of the thumb, and again in the similar fashion you have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and then what you can do, you can create a finger like this. I mean the length of the fingers you can decide, and go ahead and create this. Okay, like this. Like this. And for the thumb, you can create your thumb in such a way. Yeah, so I've created another style in which you can draw your hand. Now let's go ahead and outline this and erase the pencil work. Please understand till here, draw till here. Understand the technique of drawing the hands, and then we'll go ahead. Now I'm going to outline this. I've outlined the thumb, but I know that the thumb is going to join the wrist, so no point in dragging it to the square. So I've got it till here. Similarly, this wrist also would go from here to here, and then later like this. Yeah, you can draw the palm lines and lifelines like this. Okay, now let's see how does it look after erasing. Please note it down till here. Please note it down till here properly so that you understand the entire technique. Later on, I'm going to erase these lines, erase the pencil mark. Yeah. Now can you see how the hands are turning out to be? They're not turning out to be like this, but they're turning out to be like this. So this is the basic technique of drawing hands. Understanding? Basic technique of drawing hands. Now you can keep changing the angle if you want and see how you can draw the hands and stuff like that. Now if I have to make something like a feet, okay, I'm moving from hands to feet right now. I'll show you a few more designs of hands that I have drawn. I'll explain them to you so that you guys can continue with the different hand postures and different gestures and everything. So now, if I shouldn't have used a pen, I'm so sorry. Shouldn't have used a pen. Now, here, I'll draw the leg like this. Okay, and what I'll do, I'm going to make a rough feet over here with a ball in the front. I'll explain you why I'm drawing a ball in the front. Okay, so you're drawing the leg like this and then you're drawing a feet. Later you will take your pen. Okay, you will take your pen like this, and what you'll do, you are going to join this. Okay, similarly you will take the line of this leg over here. Okay, over here the difference is that you will go ahead and join this leg over here. Getting my point? Have you observed your feet from the side? Go check it out now. And then you will draw the circumference like this. You have taken the help of the circle and drawn the toes. Getting my point over here? Now if I erase this part, this is your leg, and what you can do, you can make a nail over here to show the side of the leg. Now later on, if you want, you can make it wear accessories or leave it that way for a man. It's totally up to you. Yeah, easy. Now there is another thing. ये तो side angle हो गया. If you will say, Shweta, this is a side angle, please show us the front side. Yes, I will show you the front side also. Okay, I dropped it. Anyways, so what I'm going to do, first of all, I'm going to draw my two legs ka lower part like this. Okay, then later I'm going to join this. And I'm going to join this. Okay, I have a circle here and I have a circle here. I have a circle here and I have a circle here. Why I am showing you the circles? Why I am showing you the circles? So that you understand the ball and the foot part. Okay, now this is the front part. Now if I have to go ahead and draw my leg, so I'm going to take my leg out from here, very close to the first circle. I'll take this leg out here, very close to the first circle, and bring it over here. Similarly, I'm going to bring this over here. Okay, then later on what I can do, I can give it the toe part. So I have my single toe, the main toe, which goes like this. Then I will draw one toe, two toe, 3 and 4, and later you can give nails to your legs. Or if you want to make it wear footwear or something, you can go ahead with that also. Alright? Similarly, I'll go for this also. Something like this. I totally forgot that my leg is not on that side but this side. But yeah, I hope you get it. I'm just shading it out so you know कि बड़ा toe कौन सा है. I thought the leg is going that side. I'm really sorry for the direction. So this is how you will draw your feet in the front side and feet at the side. Okay. So if I have to quickly draw something like at the side wearing shoes, okay, maybe I can draw something like this. Yeah, this is the leg. Okay, if you want to show somebody having the front side, something like this, the shoe part, like if she's wearing a ballerina sort of a thing, you can show it this way. Yeah, guys, got it? Simple. I want you guys to do this exercise, this exercise and this exercise and see how you can get the hold of making hands and stuff. Okay, now I have drawn few hands with the pencil, but I'm going to show you the guidelines so that you understand how I have drawn them. So these are a few examples that I have done. I have seen the emojis in WhatsApp and I've tried to figure out how they were coming out. I have not just gone and drawn randomly the exact emoji, but I understood the pattern, how it is going, the lines, the length and everything. So what you can do, you guys can go ahead and try the different WhatsApp emojis for the homework. Okay, you can give me 10 emojis, like 10 hand work, hand gesture for homework. I think that'll be fine. I do not want feet because feet में ज़्यादा variations नहीं है. So you can go ahead with the hand part. Okay. Alright. Now, looking at this, let's go one by one. Okay. If I have to draw this hand, outline it, what will I do? I'll take it from the wrist. I am going to attach the thumb first. From the thumb, I will take this finger. Then I'll take this finger. Then I'll take my ring finger. Then this finger. Coming back like this. Yeah, so this is my hand. Okay. Now again, if I go and make do the basic techniques that I have told you guys to do, okay, and it should be fine. Yeah, you can go ahead and outline each and every one of these. Understand the basic, guys. If you understand the basics, then this is very easy to draw. There is no rocket science in this. मैं कर सकती हूँ, कोई भी कर सकता है. Yeah, something like this. Now when you have to draw something like this, okay, let's draw something like this. So I have drawn my hand shape. अभी तक what I was doing, I was drawing my hand shape like this. Yeah. Now if you observe this, this part is still the same. Only this part becomes a circle. Getting my point? My this part is still the same. Getting it, guys? My this part, that is this part of the wrist, is still the same. Only this becomes a circle instead of a square. So what I've done, I've made this. I've made a circle out of it. And then I have placed my thumb and then my fingers like this and joined it. Getting it? Yeah? So instead of a square, I observed my thumb. How is it going to look? Okay, this is going to be something like a circle. So I made a circle and I've given guidelines just the way we were doing till now. ठीक है? तो ये जब मैं इसको मिलाऊंगी, something like this. Yeah, so it would look something like this. Similarly, this guy also, when he's doing this, okay, can you see it is becoming a sort of a circly square? Yeah, now if I kind of erase this line, getting my point? If I erase these lines, you guys got the point? Then later again I continue with the squares to make this. When I make this, I see that this finger is coming forward and this is going at the back and rest of fingers are folded along with the thumb. Use the same technique and draw. Okay, I have taken these down from the WhatsApp emojis. If you want, you guys can go ahead and make things of your own. For example, now this guy also had a circly thing. Okay. And that is how you get your hands. Okay, feet, there is not much. Whatever was there in the feet, I have already shown you guys how it looks like to be drawing feet, and the ones with shoes and the one with side and everything. Yeah, so this is what you have to do for today. You guys have to make 10 hand gestures as homework. Okay, you guys can go ahead, make your own variations, check them out from WhatsApp emojis, or take the live thing also. You can make your hands do some play. This, 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 then something like this, you know, just go ahead and do whatever you want. You guys can color them, create some good stuff around it. If you want to make it look more creative, it's totally up to you, your creativity. Alright, so yeah, that's about the hands and gestures. The technique is very simple, guys. Please understand the technique first and then go ahead and draw rest of them. Okay, so I hope the session was clear. If you have any other questions regarding this, please feel free to connect to me. I'll be happy to help you. Alright guys, take care of yourself. I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new topic. Till then, bye bye. Keep doodling.